Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do this makeup look for your Valentine's date. So let's get started. To prep my skin, I'm using this White Korea Aqua Moisturizer Glow that costs 29 pesos only. It claims to brighten and even out your skin tone because of niacinamide and berry complex. To blur out those large pores on my face, I will use this Cathy Doll Smooth Blur Control Pore Serum to give smoothness and to help my makeup last longer. Of course, you can never go wrong with sunscreen, and today, I'll be using this Face Republic Super Sunscreen Sun Gel SPF 50 Plus to protect my skin from UV rays and other harmful elements from the sun. For my foundation, I'll be using this Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 220 Natural Beige. This foundation gives me a subtle, natural and skin-like finish. To hide those dark spots and under eye area, I'll be using this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Sand. I have an oily skin face, so I'll be setting the foundation and concealer by using this Bench Daily Scent Refreshing Oil Control Powder to avoid from creasing and stand my makeup for a long time. To shape and to fill in those spaces on my eyebrows, I'll be using this Detail Makeover Make It Pro Eyebrow Liner in the shade Dark Brown. Brush off those hard edges to make it look natural. To bronze my skin, I'll be using this Vice Cosmetics Aura Collection in the shade For Sure. For my eyeshadow base, I'll be using this Sis to Sis Lip, Eye, and Cheek Creamy Matte in the shade Coral Candy. give more definition on my eyeshadow, I'll be using this Fashion 21 eyeshadow palette that I bought from Watson's for 195 pesos only. Taking this shimmering eyeshadow, I'll be placing it in the middle of my eyelid and inner tear duct to open up my eyes. To make a thin line on my upper lash line, I'll be using this Baby Doll Korea eyeliner in black. I also bought this at Watson's for 89 pesos only. After I curled my eyelashes, I'll be using my Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara to lift and volumize my eyelashes. This is optional, but I'll be putting false eyelashes of Cal. To contour my nose, I'll be using this dark eyeshadow from my Fashion 21 eyeshadow palette. To highlight the tip of my nose and highest part of my cheek, I'll be using this Vice Cosmetics Aura Glow in the shade Shining. To add vibrance on my face, I'll be using this Careline Blush On in the shade Fresh Tomato. Using this V-Line HD Matte Lip Tint, it will leave stains on your lips. So even when you ate or drink, at least you will no longer do a retouch. And lastly, I'll be topping it with this Sis to Sis Lip Matte to have a gradient lips. So this is the final look for my Valentine's Day date makeup. I hope you love it, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!